Hello everyone, we are Alan, Fer, Coco, Chloé, and Andrea, and today we are going to talk about the impact of organizational culture on company results. So, to start, let's take a look at a few definitions of organizational culture. One definition says that organizational culture is the beliefs, norms, and expectations shared by members of an organization. According to Edgar Schein, it's about the shared assumptions a group develops when solving problems, which are then passed on to new members. And as Dylan Kennedy put it, culture is simply the way things are done around here. So these definitions show us that culture is both the formal and informal ways companies operate and connect with people.
Now, let's take a look at 10 companies with exemplary organizational culture, starting with the first five. First, Google. They encourage innovation, keep communication open, and empower employees. Their mission to organize the world's information aligns with everyone's work. Second, Zappos. Famous for putting customer service at the core, hiring for cultural fit, and celebrating individuality. They even have programs to promote employees' happiness. Third, Southwest Airlines. Known for humor in service and employees first philosophy, teamwork, and resilience in crisis. Fourth, Netflix. Built on freedom and responsibility, valuing radical candor in feedback, transparency, and performance over rigid processes. Fifth, Patagonia. Their culture revolves around environmental activism, sustainability, and community involvement while supporting employees with flexibility and on site childcare.
For the fifth brand, Starbucks are calling their employee partners. They offer training in empathy and service and promote social responsibility. For the sixth brand, Toyota is built on the Kaizen method or continuous improvement with teamwork, respect for people, and long-term thinking. Salesforce is also good. They use case study, role-playing game, and real-world projects to put academic knowledge into practice. The eighth brand is Microsoft. Under Satya Nadella, they shifted to a growth mindset, emphasizing learning, inclusion, and employee empowerment. And tenth, Costco. They pay above average wage, promote from within, value your loyalty, and build trust with both employee and consumer.
To better understand how to design an exemplary culture, let's look at the three key methodologies. The first is Sheen model, which describes culture at three levels: artifacts, espoused values, and basic assumptions. Edgar Schein was a professor at MIT Sloan and a pioneer in organization development. The second is the Denison model, which links culture to effectiveness with four dimensions: mission, consistency, involvement, and adaptability. Daniel Denison is a professor at IMD Business School and expert in organizational effectiveness. The third is the Competing Values Framework, created by Cameron and Quinn. It classifies culture into four types: clan, adocracy, market, and hierarchy. Both authors are professors at the University of Michigan and specialists in organizational change. These models help companies measure, shape, and improve their cultures.
Now let's highlight five companies that responded effectively to COVID-19. Google offered 800 million net credits and collaborated with Apple to build exposure notification system. Microsoft protected workers' pay and launched a reskilling initiative for 25 million people. Starbucks switched to to-go formats and gave free coffee to frontline staff. Costco created special hours for older adults, gave hero pay, and enforced health measures. And finally, Toyota adapted its plans to produce face shields and medical equipment using lean principles. These examples show how companies can act quickly, protect employees, and use their strengths to help society.
To wrap up, let's answer the final question. What's the difference between organizational culture and talent management? Culture is about shared values and behaviors that shape how an organization really works. It's holistic and influences innovation and resilience, while talent management, on the other hand, is about structured HR processes, attracting, developing, and retaining employees. So, culture is the organization's identity, while talent management is a set of practices that help people grow inside that culture.